Now see another program for stepper motor. This program is for continuous running. The previous program was for angular running, angular working. Now this is for continuous. You can see I will press this. See this, it will run continuously. This is the driver. This is I am pressing, and this is the PLC 14SS2 transistor type, and I press this button, and this is the driver, and it is working continuously, and I can change the frequency, the speed also from here. This is the laptop. If I release the button, it will stop. See this? You can see also on this online. See this?